that is class A method. As simple as this. Okay. Now my requirement is I want to call method 1 which is present in class A with the help of class B object. Sir, what are you talking? How can you do that? We can't do that. We can't do that. Method 1 does not belongs to class B. Method 1 belongs to class A. So we need to call method 1 with the help of its respective class object only. We cannot call method 1 with the help of class B object. Why? Because method 1 does not belongs to. Come on. Okay. All right, guys. Let me ask you a small question. I have a bike. I purchased a bike. Okay, I have a bike. My father is having a car. My father purchased car. He's having his car. Now, answer my question correctly. Bike belongs to me. Am I right or wrong? Car belongs to my father. Yes or no? Yes or no? Can I access his car? Can I access his car? Can I drive his car? But that car does not belongs to me. I'm his son. Yes or no? I inherit, I repeat, listen to the statement correctly. I inherit my parent properties, my father properties. Am I right or wrong? Even though that car does not belongs to me, as I'm his child, as I'm his son, I can inherit his properties. Exactly the same concept, that is inheritance. Inheritance in Java. So guys, inheritance is one of the OOPS features. Once again, how many features of, mainly how many OOPS features are there? 4. First one, encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction. Yeah, we'll be trying to cover all these concepts later, not right now. Just now, I want to give you just a basic idea about inheritance. Guys, listen. Inheritance means acquiring the properties of one class into another class. I repeat once again. Come on, concentrate. Inheritance means acquiring the properties of one class into another class. Right now, what I want to do here is, guys, please check this. In class B, just let me try to have a method. In class B, I'm having a method void. Let me go with like method 2. Okay, method 2 and system.out.println. Just simply I'm trying to write class B method, class B method. And now if I'm trying to write, let me remove this. Now if I'm trying to write BOBJ dot method 2, am I going to get any error? Yes, sir. I'll not be getting any error. Why? Why I'll not be getting any error? Why? Because method 2 belongs to class B. So if I execute my program, right click run as Java application, yeah, I'll be getting my output, that is class B method. Now my requirement is I want to access class A method and class B method with the help of class B object. I want to drive my bike and car, both. Are you understanding me? I want to access my bike. I want to access the car also. Sir, car does not belongs to, yeah, that belongs to my father. Are you understanding me, right? That is exactly what I want to do here also. So right now, if I remove line number 12 from the comment, yes, I'll be getting an error. Why? Because method 1 does not belongs to. Answer, class B. Method 1 belongs to class A. So if I want to access method 1 which is present in class A with the help of class B object, we need to use inheritance. What do you mean by inheritance? Acquiring the properties of one class into another class. Okay, sir, we understand what is inheritance, but how to inherit? How to inherit? Guys, very simple. Very, very simple. Please observe. I'm using a keyword extends. Extends. Which class I want to inherit? Am I getting any error? As simple as this. Now, answer my question. Class A and class A and class B. Please tell me. Class A is, take a minute time. Class A is parent class or child class? Parent class? Are you sure? Perfect. Parent. Parent class. And obviously, class B is child class. So, inheritance. Whenever we are using inheritance, we can access parent class method. We can access parent class method with the help of no, tell me in terminology, inheritance terminology. With the help of which object? Child class object. Yes, did you understand the concept here? Whenever we are using inheritance, we can access parent class method with the help of child class object. Dot. Am I clear with this? Online students, kindly please respond. Online students, kindly please respond. Is this concept clear, guys? Up to now, is it clear? Up to now, inheritance. Guys, very simple here. Inheritance means acquiring the properties of one class into another class. Just acquiring the properties of one class into another class. Okay. Now, guys, let me come to class A. Okay. Let us come to class A. Okay. Just let me try to remove this. I'm coming to class A. In class A, I'm writing main method. Okay, no issues. In class A, I'm writing main method. Now, inside the main method, I'm trying to create an object for my class A. All right. Equal to AOBJ belongs to class A. Okay. Now, AOBJ dot method 1. AOBJ dot hash code. AOBJ dot, just let me try to go with, just a sec. Let me just try to keep this in common. AOBJ dot next int like this. Right. I'm having three methods. I'm trying to call three methods. Okay. Now my question is, in line number 12, if I remove line number 12 from the comment, am I going to get any error? Answer. Guys, just stick to the basics. Just stick to the basics. Yes or no? No, we'll not be getting any error. Why will not be getting any error? Method 1 belongs to class A. Yeah, fine. No problem. Okay. Now, if I remove this line number 13 from the comment, am I going to get any error or not? Yes. Why? Come on. Hash code method. That method does not present in class A. Let me remove this. Am I getting any error? No. Why? Predefined method? Okay. Now, next int is also a predefined method. But for next int method, we are getting an error. But why we are not getting any error for hash code method? Okay. Guys, let me remove this. Now, answer my question, guys. In class B, is Method 1. I'm speaking about line number 12. In line number 12, we are calling method 1. From which object class B object? Is method 1 present in class B? Answer. But are we getting any error? Are we getting any error? Why? Because we are using inheritance concept. We are inheriting class A into class B. That is the reason we are not getting any error. Okay, okay. Now, am I inheriting any class? Am I inheriting any class? No. How do you know that? I did not use any extends keyword. Am I right or wrong? So I am not inheriting any class, but I am not getting any error at line number 13. How that is possible? Yes. Guys, please listen to this. Please listen to this. In every Java program, in every Java class, either it may be a predefined class or user defined class. Listen, listen. Once again, once again. For every Java class, either it may be a predefined class or user defined class. One class by default. Once again, I repeat. For every Java class, either it may be a predefined class or user defined class. One class by default acts as a parent class. By default acts as a parent class. That class is the first class in the Java hierarchy. Means from that class only all other classes came. That class is the first class. Are you understanding me? That class acts as a parent class for all the classes. Class A, yes, that class is the parent class. Class B, yes, that class is the parent class. Are you understanding me? Once again, for every Java program, for every Java class, either it may be a predefined class, or user defined class. One class by default acts as a parent class, and that class is the first class in the Java hierarchy. From that class only all other classes are coming, and that class name is object class. What is the class name? Object class. The class name itself is object. Now answer my question. What is the first class in the Java hierarchy? Come on. Which class acts as a parent class for all the classes? Now hash code method is present in which class? Exactly my point. Hash code method is present in object class. As object class is the parent class, by default, as object class is the parent class by default, you can access the methods which are present in the object class. Every class object can access. For example, now just let me try to, guys, if I write BOBJ dot hash code method, am I going to get any error? No. I'll not be getting any error. Why? Because hash code method is present in which class? Object class. Object class is the parent class for all the classes. Object class is the first class in the Java hierarchy. And guys, by default, guys, please listen. Package. What do you mean by package? Package consists of similar types of classes, interfaces, enums. Do you remember this? Starting classes, I told you. There are two types of packages, predefined packages and user-defined packages. Example for user-defined package is com.pack1, com.pack2. In your Eclipse also you have created package 1, package 2, package 3. Like all those are examples for user-defined packages. And examples for predefined packages are java.util, java.lang, java.sql, java.io, java.awt. Lot of predefined packages are there. Now, guys, please listen to this. Please listen to this. One package, guys, you should be understanding it clearly. Please listen. In every Java program, one package will be by default imported. Means in every Java program, I am not using the word extends. I am not using the word extends. Where we need to use extends? In inheritance. Yes or no? I am using the word imported. Please observe clearly. In every Java class, in every Java program, one package will be by default imported, by default available. And that package consists of most commonly used classes like system class. Are you using system class? Where? System.out.println. Are you using string class? String s equal to Java. Guys, I hope you're understanding me, right? One package by default consists of most commonly used classes by the programmer, and that package will be automatically imported. Automatically, that is available in every Java program. And that package name is java.lang package. Lang. Java.lang. Lang means language. Now, object class is present in java.lang package. Now, please answer my question once again. What is the first class in the Java hierarchy? Which class acts as a parent class for all the classes? Object class is present in which package? Java dot. But why I am not importing that? By default, java.lang package is available in every Java program. Am I clear with this? Please keep us heading as understanding object class. Please keep us heading as understanding object class. Now, note on a small point for me. Object class is, note on a small point. Object class is present in java.lang package. Java.lang package. It is the first class in the continuation. Object class is present in java.lang package. It is the first class in the Java hierarchy. It is the first class in the Java hierarchy. Next point. Object class acts as a object class acts as a parent class for object class acts as a parent class for every Java predefined or user defined class. Object class acts as a parent class for every Java predefined and user defined class. Dot. Next point. As object class is the as object class is the parent class for all the classes, as object class is the parent class for all the classes, every Java class object, every Java class object can access, every Java class object can access which class methods? Come on, which class methods? Object class methods, please. Every Java class object can access object class methods dot. Object class methods dot. Now, as once again, I am repeating the point. As object class is the parent class for all the Java classes, every Java class object can access object class methods. As simple as it is. Now, next point. There are 11 important methods. There are 11 important methods which are present in, there are 11 important methods which are present in object class. There are 11 important methods which are present in object class. Now, guys, please check these methods. Hash code method, finalize method, equals method, clone method, toString method, get class method, notify all, wait, different versions of wait method. Do me a favor, guys. I just want you to write only the method names. Can you please do that? Go ahead. There are 11 important methods which are present in the object class, are listed below, and just try to write only method names along with their access modifier and return types also. Don't write the description. Just try to write method names. Method names, please. Public int hash code. Okay. Protected void finalize throws throwable. Okay. Just try to write method names. And whenever you are writing method names, please observe their access modifier and return types. We'll discuss them. Please. Just try to write method names. Don't go with the description. It's okay. Anyways, I'll upload this entire slide in the Google Classroom, but please try to write these methods. These are important. Just write method names. Only method names. Like, don't go with the description. Leave the description. Online students, if completed, kindly please inform in the chat. Please inform in the chat. Don't sit idle, guys, please. One more minute. That is great. That is great. One more minute. I can see your messages, guys. Online students. Please don't think like sir is not seeing. I am seeing your message. That is good. That is good. Ashok, you should log in early. Then only you will be able to understand. Guys, online students, once again, I am requesting you, please make sure you are logging in early and please make sure you are having a proper internet connection. If you are not having a proper internet connection, you will not understand the concepts. Guys, I promised you in the very starting day, every day you will learn a new topic, I said, right? Every day you will learn a new concept. I promise you this. So please make sure you are attending the classes regularly and please make sure you are, online students, especially online students, please make sure you are having proper internet connection, please. Can you see that, boys? Please, please. If voice is breaking for some people, guys, if it is breaking for everyone, my inbox will be flooded with messages. Sir, voice is breaking, voice is not coming, voice is not coming, like that. Only for one or two people, if it is breaking, means you are not having a proper internet connection. So please check with that. Please check with that. Okay. If I'm getting multiple messages, I'll respond. I hope you're understanding me. Online students. All right. Done, boys? Okay. Okay. Now, guys, yes, we are having, guys, please listen. Please listen. We are having 11 methods in object class. 11 methods. Today, we will be trying to discuss hash code method, finalize method, equals method, string method, get class method. 5 methods. Clone method, we will discuss this clone method after completing exception handling, not right now. After completing oops, after completing exception handling, we'll be trying to discuss this clone method. Why? Because if I try to explain this clone method right now, watching Chinese movie with Korean subtitles, you will not be able to get it. I don't want that to be happening. Okay. So we'll discuss this clone method after exception handling. Now, notify method, listen. Notify method, notify all method, and 3 versions of wait method. First version, how many parameters you are having? No parameters. 0 parameters, yes or no? Second version, how many parameters you are having? 1. Long. Third version, how many parameters you are having? 2. Both are, one is long, second one is int. So these methods notify method, wait method, notify all methods. These methods we will be trying to discuss whenever we are dealing with multi-threading. In multi-threading, there is this separate concept known as inter-thread communications. What is the word? Inter-thread communications. In order to cover, like in order to understand that inter-thread communications in multi-threading, we need to use wait method, notify method, and notify all methods. I hope it's clear, guys. So whenever this particular concept comes, at that time, we will be trying to discuss about those methods: wait method, notify method, and notify all methods. So as of now, today, we will be trying to discuss about these five methods, like hash code method, finalize method, equals method, toString method, and get class method. Am I clear with this? Right, right. Just let me try to remove this, discard. Okay. Now, let me remove this. Let me remove this. No need to write. I'll go with whenever we are dealing with inheritance, we'll be trying to understand this. Not required right now. Okay. Okay. Now, please check this. I'm having a method void method one. Okay. And SYSO. Just simply I'm trying to write method one called. And here, let me go to my main method. Now, inside my main method, I'll be trying to create an object. Actually, I want to create two objects. I want to create two objects. Okay. Now, please help me. Come on. New. Class A. Okay. Now, just let me try to have a name equal to AOBJ1. Why I'm giving AOBJ1? I want to create two objects. AOBJ1 belongs to class A. And new class A. And right now, I'm going to give AOBJ2 belongs to class A. Okay. Two objects I have created. Now, let us try to have an idea about hash code method. Hash code method. Now, let me just try to write some point. Don't write. Don't write. First listen. First listen. Hash code method. The return type of hash code method is int. The return type of hash code method. The return type of hash code method is int. Yeah, come on. We already know that. By just now you have written that. Am I right or wrong? The return type of hash code method is int. Now, what hash code method will do? Guys, this is important. This is important. Please listen to this clearly. Hash code method does not provide the address locations of the objects. Most of the time, guys, most of the time, people will be thinking that hash code method provides the address locations of the objects, but that is completely wrong. Hash code method does not provides the address locations of the object. Then what it is going to give? What it is going to give? Hash code method provides a unique identification number for your object. Hash code method, first listen. Hash code method provides a unique identification number for your object. Unique identification number for your object, which is used to distinguish two different objects separately. Dot. Dot. Now, hash code method. Guys, please listen. Please listen. Point number one. What is the return type of hash code method? Int. Means it is going to give us a number. It's just going to give us a number. Sir, what is that number? Leave that. We don't know which number. It is going to give us a number. Now, most of the time, people will be thinking that that number is the address location of an object, but that is literally wrong. I repeat, hash code method does not provides the address location of an object. What hash code method will give? It gives you a unique identification number for your object. Now, let me explain. Let me ask you this all question, guys. In your college, do you have roll numbers? Are those roll numbers your address locations? No, those are not. What is the use of those roll numbers? I mean, you can distinguish. Am I right or wrong? Okay, this number belongs to her. This number belongs to him. Like that, you can distinguish. Exactly the same concept here also. Are you understanding me? For every object, for example, how many objects there? I mean, how many objects we have created here? 2 objects. For every object, hash code method will generate a unique identification number. What is the use of that? You can distinguish. You can separate objects. Am I clear with this? Now, please help me this. For example, system.out.println AOBJ1 hash code. Okay, I'll do one thing. First, let me try to go with AOBJ1 dot hash code. Sorry, AOBJ1 dot hash code. Can I write like this? Come on. But guys, hash code method is not present in class A. Why I'm not getting any error? Answer. Hash code method is present in. Guys, please don't keep the answers to yourself. Please give an answer. Respond with an answer. Come on. Why we are not getting any error here? Hash code method is present in which class? So by default, object class acts as a parent class for all the classes. So right now, object class is a parent class for class A. So we can access object class methods with the help of class A object. I hope it's clear, guys. Yes or no? Okay, now please tell me, what is the return type of hash code method? So I'll just do one thing, equal to, can I write int x? Of course, whatever hash code method is returning, I'm just trying to store in x. Okay, now just AOBJ2 dot hash code and now equal to, let me go with like int y equal to like this. Did you understand these line number 14 and 15? Now AOBJ1 hash code plus x and SYSO AOBJ2 hash code COD hash code plus y. Now my question is, if I execute my program, x value and y value will be same or different? Once again, I'm asking you, if I execute my program right now, x value and y value will be same or different? Will be different. Sir, but both objects belongs to class A only. Yes, both objects belongs to class A. Both objects, 2 different objects. Are you understanding me? Yeah, both objects are there. 2 objects are there. Both belongs to class A, but there are objects. For example, 2 students are there. Both belongs to CSC. Yes, both belongs to CSC, but there are 2 students. 2 students are there who belongs to triple E. Yes, 2 students are there. Both belongs to triple E, but those are two students. Did you understand the concept here, guys? So exactly here also, yes, both the objects are present. I mean, both the objects belongs to class A, but actually there are how many objects? So pretty much damn sure there will be X value will be different and Y value will be and should be different. Did you understand the concept here, guys? So once again, hash code method. I repeat, hash code method will not provides the address locations of an object. Do you know what? As a matter of fact, you cannot get the address location of an object. You cannot get it. Come on, that is present inside JVM. It's a virtual machine. How can you get the address location of an object? Literally, you cannot get the address location of an object. Am I clear with this? So please, once again, I'm saying this is most commonly myth. Most other people will be thinking that in interviews also, most of the students will be asking, like, if we ask what is the use of hash code method, they are going to say that hash code method returns the address location of an object. That is completely wrong. That is completely wrong. What hash code method will gives you? Hash code method will gives your program, I mean, gives your object a unique identification number which is used to distinguish two objects separately. Dot. Am I clear with this? Please respond. Right, perfect. Online students, kindly please respond. Online students, kindly please respond. Did you understand this concept? Yes, yes. What is the use of hash code method? Guys, that's exactly what I'm trying to say. Hash code method is used to distinguish two objects separately. As simple as this. Okay. Now, once again. Okay, guys, I have a small please let me do one thing. For example, for example, system.out.println. First listen. I'll give you time to write. First listen. Enjoy the class. For example, I just want to new class A dot. Can I write like this? Take a minute time. Take a minute time. Think. Please think. Please think. Think and answer. Don't give me immediately answer. Just think. Can I write like this? Come on, think. Just think. There is no object. Okay. Now my question is how to create an object. Come on. How to create an object? With the help of new keyword. After that, we need to initialize that object with the help of a constructor. Yeah. New keyword is there. New keyword is there. Am I initializing that object? Yes. And I'm having that object. And with the help of that object, I'm trying to call hash code method. Is there any problem here? Okay, I'll do one thing, guys. For example, let me make this as int and simply return return 100. Return 100. Okay. Now my question is system.out.println system.out.println and now new class A dot method 2. Can I write like this? Are you sure? What is my output here in line number 24? Come on. So, yeah, I'll not be getting any error. I'll not be getting any. Yeah, I created an object. Directly with the help of object, I'm trying to call my method 1. Now, method 2. Method 2 is returning 100. That's exactly what will be printed. That's exactly what will be printed. Did you understand my concept? Now tell me, can I write like this? Yes or no? 100% I can write. 100%. I can write like this. Guys, I'm just creating an object and I'm trying to call hash code method. Hash code method is present in object class. Did you understand the concept here? Now tell me, what is the number here? Am I going to get any one of the same number or a different number? Perfect. Right click, run as Java application, a different number. Come on, guys. The only difference here, please observe, in line number 15, I'm creating an object. In line number 16, I'm creating an object. For this object, I have given a reference. And with the help of that reference, I'm trying to access hash code method. In line number 16, I'm creating an object. And for that object, I'm giving a reference. With the help of that reference, I'm trying to access hash code method. Now, in line number 23, directly with the help of object, I'm trying to access hash code method. I'm not having any reference. Guys, we had covered these programs, these kind of programs in our demo classes. Did you remember that? Online students, kindly please respond. Rohit, please respond. Yes. All right. Now, guys, please listen. Please listen to this hash code method. I repeat once again. Please, guys, please listen. Please listen. Hash code method will not provides the address locations. It is going to provide a unique identification number for your object. Where is this hash code method present? Object class is present in which package? Java.lang package. Now, sir, can we get the address location of an object? No. Sir, can we compare the address locations of an object? Yes. Once again, sir, I did not understand. Let me help you with this. We cannot get the address locations of an object, but we can compare the address locations of an object by using equals method. What is the method name? Just now you have written that. Did you remember that? Yes or no, yeah? What is the return type of that equals method? Please check and tell me. Come on, check and tell me. Boolean. Boolean means either true or false. If both objects are present in the same address location, then equals method is going to return true. If both objects are present in two different address locations, then equals method is going to return false. Guys, please check this. Let me just try to write equals method. Equals method like this. Now, point number 1. The return type of, don't write. First listen. Please listen. Don't write. Wait. I'll give you time. The return type of equals method is Boolean. Now, what equals method is going to do? What equals method will be doing? Equals method will be comparing the address locations of objects. Will be comparing the address locations of objects. Point number 3. If both the objects are having same address location, then equals method is going to return true. If both the objects are having same address location, then equals method is going to return true. Now, point number 4. If If both the objects are having different address location, then equals method is going to return false, false. Now you tell me, guys, please check this. I'm just trying to have a small heap area. Let us think that, let us just think that, assume that this is heap area. Just let us assume that this is heap area. Okay. Now I'm just trying to create new class A. Why this is small? Hang on. Okay. New class A equal to AOBJ1 belongs to class A. This is one object. Let me go with one more object, AOBJ2, like this. Now, two objects I have created. You know that every time, whenever we are trying to create an object, where that object will be created? Inside the, like, every class object, where it will be created? Inside the heap area. Come on, don't forget. Please don't forget. Guys, how many days here? 2 days before we discuss this. How many memory areas are there inside JVM? Answer. What are those? Class area, heap area, stack, PC registers, native method stack. Now, what will be stored inside a class area? Metadata of the class. What will be stored inside heap area? Every object. Yes or no? Now, this inside heap area, let us think that this is heap area. Inside heap area, okay, now an object, this, let us think that this is class A object. And just for our understanding purpose, I'm just trying to make this some address location as 753. Once again, we cannot get the address location of an object. I'm just assuming the address location as 753, just for our understanding purpose. Am I clear with this? Okay, now let me just try to create one more object, class A. Two objects I have created. And this address location will be something like some 963, some address location like this. Now, 753 will be pointed towards AOBJ1 and 963 will be pointed towards AOBJ2. Did you understand the concept here? Now my question is, AOBJ1 and AOBJ2 both are having same address location or different address location? Now, just let me try to have a small line. Okay, now please. Now, SYSO AOBJ1 dot equals AOBJ2. Tell me what is my output. Online students, come on, respond. Tell me what is my object. I mean, what is my output? True or false? True or false? Right. Ganesh, I will not be getting true. We will not be getting true, guys. We will not be getting true. We will be getting our output here as false. Why false? Come on, guys. It's very clear. Different address locations. I hope you're understanding me. Let us just right click, run as Java application. Okay, I'll do one thing. Now, system.out.println AOBJ1 dot equals AOBJ1. Now, TRUE true. That is 100% correct. That is 100% correct. Okay, now tell me. System.out, think and answer. Think and answer. AOBJ1 dot equals, think and answer. Come on, guys, you can do this. You can do this. Come on. Are you sure? This is one object. This is one object. I mean, this object belong. I mean, this is reference belongs to new class A. This is another object. Guys, every time I'll say this. Whenever you are seeing new keyword, What is the meaning of that? Creating an object. So this is AOBJ1. This reference belongs to this object, and this is entirely a separate object. So now tell me, true or false? Right click, run as Java application. We'll be getting our output as false. So here our output is FALSE, false. Now I'll do one thing. Let me go with like new new class A dot hash code. Sorry, new class A dot equals AOBJ2. Now tell me, true or false? Perfect. Perfect. That is good. One more, just one more. Now, new class A. Guys, think and answer, please. Dot equals new class A. Think and answer, please. Think and answer. True or false? Are you sure? And that is 100% correct. I hope you understand the concept here, guys. Right? So, equals method, what it is going to compare? It is going to compare the address locations of the objects. Now, please have this program. Guys, in your laptop, you may or you may not get the same numbers. It may change. It may change. Okay. Please don't expect the same numbers. If you are getting the same numbers, okay, fine. But there is possibility of getting wrong numbers, different numbers also. Come on, please have this program. Please have this program. I'm sorry. What? Please, please. Kashinath, yes, yes. Arjun, both are different objects. Whenever you are using new keyword, every time a new object will be created. I told you. Not Arjun. Afroz, sorry. Afroz. Whenever we are using new keyword, every time a new object will be getting created. Of course, both objects belongs to same class, but those are two different objects, Afroz. Please don't get confused. Raman, log off and log in again. Yes, Jayesh. Yes, that is correct. Meghana, then that will be true. Why don't you just try to refer like that? Take two reference variables. Both the references should be pointing towards the same object. And just check it, Meghana. You will be understanding that. Just check it. Okay? Check it and do let me know. I'll be waiting. Can you do that for me, please? Yeah, go ahead. I'll be waiting for your answer. Please, please. What? The time is 8:45. How? Yeah, of course. Java is awesome. My guys, are you also feeling the same thing? Or else you're thinking, still the time is 8:45 like that. Ashok, what is your question, buddy? What's your question? Chandu, it's not mandatory. No, it's mandatory to store the data in int. Why? Because the return type, what is the return type, Chandu? Return type for hash code is int, right? Yes, Kashinath. Yes. If I'm not creating two different objects, you will not be understanding this concept here, right? And we need to create multiple objects, Kashinath. We need to create multiple objects. Why? Because, wait for the concept, please. Each object will be giving different values for instance variables. Just please wait for it. Okay. Ashok, we can do that. We can do that, but not right now. Please wait for it. Okay. Please wait for it. Yeah, that is great, Josh. That is great. That is great. Come on, online students, please make sure you are writing the code. Please don't take screenshot. You know it's not going to work. Please make sure you are writing the code, please. Okay. Guys, line number 32. It is false. Why it is false? We are creating two different objects. Two different objects. Please don't get confused. Whenever we are using new keyword, every time a new object will be getting created. Please. Once again, I'm requesting you guys, don't take screenshots. Make sure you're writing the code. Enjoy the code, please. I strongly advise you to write these comments also, please. Right. Afros, in line number 29, we are using AOBJ1. AOBJ1 is referring to a single object. I'm just trying to compare only this object, this single object. There is no one more new keyword. I hope you're understanding me, Afros. There is no two new keywords, only one new keyword. AOBJ1 is referring to that single object. I hope you're understanding, Afros. Okay, you did not. Okay, hang on. Let me explain this. Wait. Please wait, Afros. Please wait. Yeah, Ganesh. We can do that. We can do that. But we need to use different code. Guys, the methods which we are learning in object class, right now you are understanding what those methods will do. Very soon in our coming classes, we will use those methods. We will use those methods. John, not exactly. That's it. That's it. Okay. I'm sorry. Line number 41, which is used to distinguish two different objects separately. Means if you are having two objects, both objects belongs to class A, but you want to differentiate. We can do that with the help of hash code method. Right. Right. Now I got a question, sir. In equals, is there any chance of getting same address location? Okay. What is the output here? True. Why we are getting true? We are comparing the address location of a single object. Single object. I hope you are getting me, right? Leela. Two objects will never have same address location. But that statement we need to differentiate that statement in strings concept. Just wait for it. Wait for it. Okay, guys, completed? No, please write. Carry on. Please carry on. Please carry on. Go ahead, Sadiq. Please go ahead. Please go ahead. So once again, I'm seeing you guys. Right now, we are learning what these methods will do. In our coming classes, we will use these methods. Then you'll understand where we'll be using these methods in our real time. Okay? Right. Wait for it, Sadiq. All right. All right. All right. Is it done? Guys, is it done? All right. So, guys, actually, I want to complete remaining methods also, but as of now, the time is not sufficient. So, is it okay? Shall we cover tomorrow? So, tomorrow we'll be trying to cover remaining methods also, right? All right, guys. That's it. That's it for today. Thank you, guys. Thank you for listening. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Online students, I hope you enjoyed our today's session.